welcome to Bespoke Lettering's YouTube page. So today what I'm going to show you is an interior from a BMW e46 M3 and it's cinnamon, a very rare colour. Got door cards, front seats, rear seats right there, we'll bring you in later to show you. You've got steering wheel cowling, armrest, a couple of products that we've been used in the process to get this finished. We've got a bit of a twist as well. It's cinnamon, but some of these parts weren't that colour to start with. So if you want to come in, we'll have a look. So these are the front door cards. Inserts, as you can see, are cinnamon, but I didn't start as cinnamon. This was a full black door card. So the inserts have been removed, re-dyed in cinnamon and put back in. You can't actually re-dye these inserts whilst they're in the door casing because you cannot get round the side. What you don't want to see is any of the black leather that was there originally. Also, quite a common problem with the e46 is the plastics around the speaker housings, they flake. So if you want to come and have a look, you can see they're actually nice, smooth and clean. Now these have been re-dyed and we're using adhesive base, it's a bit like an ex-primer, to make sure the dye adheres to it. Excellent finish. So we have steering wheel cowling, standard part on an e46. They are black plastic. The customer's got it's got an individual lower dash, full centre console, and wanted the steering wheel cowling to be sort of represent the individual side of it as well. So to the standard part, the leather itself is about 1.4, 1.5mm thick, so we thin that to 0.8 before covering the plastic part. Once we'd covered it, I think we used a light, like a light champagne leather. It's always best to go darker from light. It doesn't always have to be that way, but if you've got the opportunity to use a light leather rather than dark to colour change, then always best to. Once we'd covered it in leather, then dyed it in cinnamon, and it's come out pretty good. Armrest. This armrest was black. You won't notice black even if you turn it upside down because you can't see any remnants of the black on it. It came from the same interior, all the same interior parts, with the door cards are black inserts anyway. So this was colour changed. So the front seats as you know are different to the convertible. So these are out of the coupe. They weren't in horrendous condition, but they did need renovating. The age of the car, the use it's had, colours change, variation, shade variation, especially on the driver's side, which gets the most wear, and the driver's bolster. So the seats were disassembled, so that includes headrests off, seat backs off, seat bases off, all the side cowling, blow it apart essentially. So you don't want nothing together while you re-dye it. And if you come round and have a look at the back of this one, you'll see it's got a full leather seat back, and the cargo net frame is also leather as well. This didn't start as cinnamon. This was probably an oxblood from another car. So what we did, we took the frame off, took the net out, re-dyed it individually before then reassembling. So at no point, because it's been dyed at the back as well, to make sure you can't see anything from leather creep, there's no point you'll actually see any of the original red leather. So what we'll do now is rear seats. So there you have it, BMW e46 M3 full cinnamon interior. I've got no videos of the dash or the centre console. The dash, lower dash, started as an oxblood red. The centre console was a nice turquoise. But at the end of this video, I'll put some on just so you can see the transformation that took place to get everything looking just like this. Finally, everything we used, we sell, we offer it. So if you want to look at the description, you'll see where you can get to the website, buy online page. If you've got any questions, fill in the contact form and we'll respond. Hope you liked it. If you want to see any more videos, don't forget to subscribe, because there'll be more renovations, retrims and colour changes.